Hello everyone, do you remember this little guy? Yeah, it's the Leader120 from Full Speed RC. And I took this thing out the other day, and I flew it again, and it had actually been a while. I've been doing so much flying with other things, I suspect it's been more than a month. And I grabbed this when I was headed out, and mine is stock still, except for the XT30 that I put on the back, XT30. I put an XT30 on the back. Still running the King Kong props, still running the stock motors. These may have changed since I bought mine, or since I got mine. You can see that I have seared off a nut. I don't know when that happened, but it still is holding together just fine. I've just been flying it and having fun. So one of the things I thought might be useful, well, a couple things here. You know, it's getting kind of dated now. You know, we've got all sorts of new versions of Betaflight. I need to check with Lewis and find out what he's shipping with these now if you were to buy one new. A lot of people are modding these. I think it's really good in its stock format. But I wanted to do one thing. One, I wanted to revisit it, which we've already looked at, see how it flies. And then I was wanting to do two things. I contacted Lewis and I said, hey, let's give one of these away. And he said, okay, it will come directly from Full Speed. So we're going to do a giveaway. So you need to leave your comment down below. Be a subscriber, please. And so one of you will be winning one of these stock. And what I thought you guys might be interested in, at least a portion of you, is let's take for just a moment and update this without spending a whole bunch of money. So let's put on some current iteration props, 2.5 props from Gem Fans. These are the ones that I like. I like to run these. They feel real good. I like how they tune up and how they perform. And then let's go ahead and flash whatever the current version of Betaflight is today, and then we'll tune it. We'll retune it for the new props with new Betaflight. We'll turn on the dynamic filtering. We'll see if we can't get PT1 and 2 off and notch filters all turned off, and just get this, because there is some prop wash with this stock, at least the version I have. Now, if there are newer ones are coming with a different version of Betaflight than what I have, then this video won't be as important to some of you. But if you want to see what it's like with a current version and new props, leave a comment down below along with your giveaway comment. Just one comment. Please just leave one comment. One comment only, or you get thrown out of the Win a Leader. But give the video a thumbs up if you want to see other than just the results of the comment picker selecting someone to win a leader. If you want to see what it's like with new props and new Betaflight, so our investment in making the Leader120 brand new would be, you know, whatever a bag of these costs, $4 or whatever. Remember, the Leader does not come with a receiver, so you will need to purchase one. I know Full Speed has sent me some new receivers that they have. They're super tiny. I'm going to do some testing with those, but I don't have those yet. So I would suggest you either buy a... Well, I'm missing that one over there too. Look at that. I've just been beating this guy up, apparently. Holy cow. So you can either buy a receiver from Full Speed. I'm sure they'll put it on for you. Of course, they can't bind it because they don't have your radio, but I'm sure they would wire it up for you. That's something that Full Speed will do. If you leave comments in the notes, they will make custom changes for you. Say if you wanted this blue instead of red. I suspect you can get one of these in blue instead of red. So I'm going to leave the camera as it is. Let's see. We don't have a lot of extra camera tilt I can get because this, I actually left the camera angle the same that I flew it back when I reviewed it. It's been almost a year, I think now, hasn't it? It's been close to a year at least. Maybe it's only been 8 months. But I don't have a lot more camera angle to get, but I will do what I can to crank the camera up, and we'll take it for a run with some new Betaflight and some new props. So leave a thumbs up if you want to see that. Leave your comment down below to win the leader. It will come directly from Full Speed. Full Speed generally ships DHL. I say generally because I think if you order, they always ship DHL, which is the fastest international shipping that I'm aware of. They may take a different method with this giveaway. I'm just not sure of that. Okay, so remember, leave your comment down below for the giveaway, and then a thumbs up if you want to see this reworked with new props and new Betaflight. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.